Dara's production facilities expanded in 2018 with the addition of our new Modular Switchboards assembly plant. It was designed with the specific aim to service customers who need type-tested modular switchboards and motor control centres up to 4,000 amps fast, without waiting for the normal industry standard production time. We want to help design and build the next high current switchboard you need at our new facility. We've gained invaluable experience by servicing many different areas. Our high current switchboards are supplied into both commercial and industrial buildings, such as large-scale shopping centres, apartment complexes, community centres, solar power plants, utilities, petrochemical terminals, and other facilities powering Australian cities and industries. We're proud of the fact that we have our switchboard powering iconic buildings all around Australia. Copper fabrication at our new plant has been streamlined. Our machinery maximises the efficiency of fabrication tasks like cutting, punching and bending. Our engineers and technicians have been trained by the original manufacturers to produce switchboards as per their specifications. We're accredited to produce Eaton's Xenergy, Legrand's XL Cube, as well as cubic and Elsteel modular switchboards, compliant to the latest switchboard standard of Australian Standard 61439. Like all things Dara, you'll find the best prices on the market for our modular switchboards. We've invested and innovated so that once you try us, our goal is to secure your business for the long term. So give Dara a try. You won't regret it.